Trying Filipino snacks. So guys, yesterday we just got this new products from my mom's shop, Bizcocho and Broas. If you guys don't know what Bizcocho is, it's basically like toasted bread with butter and sugar. It's also really sweet. And Broas is also like, it's soft and it melts through your mouth, and it's also really sweet. So Broas is well known in Cebu, right? Is it from Bohol? Okay, so it's actually known in Bohol, guys. It's where I'm from, where we're from.
We're from Bohol.
I always like this going up. I always ate this. So let's try it.
Wow.
Oh, let me aman na. It looks nice. Oh, I want also. It's my favorite.
Yeah, I remember this when I was. Yeah.
It looks
Kape.
Kape, oh.
Tea.
Lamig
Milo.
To make it even softer. Wow. Now let's try the Bizcocho. Yay. So this one, on the other hand, is it's not so soft, but it's more crispy. Let's try this, guys. Parang talaga siyang bread. Look.
This one is also good if you have diabetes because it's not so sweet.
It's not so sweet compared to the Broas, but it's so good and buttery.
Yeah.
I love it.
You can also have this when you're going to a picnic.
Yeah, you can bring this. It's like an easy to go snack, guys. So if you want to go like traveling, this is always like the best snack to bring with you.
Come now, shopping.
Which one do you like, Marcy?
Both, but this one I remember my mom.
Mm.
So that's why.